So today I'm going to be hitting Provo Peak. I'm about an hour in. Got up about 4:50 and got on the trail by 5:50. So yeah.
That right there is my goal for today.
So I'm nearly at the summit. I think it'll take maybe 15-30 minutes to get there from here. Yeah, it's a really beautiful day. I've never seen this angle of Temp before. Well, you can barely see Temp. Cascades mostly covering it. I'm surprised how many people are up here. There was a guy who rode his motorcycle as far up as he could and hiked up. And I saw him on the way down. But then there's this other guy with his dog. I'm so glad he brought his dog.
Top of Provo Peak. Took me about 4 hours and 10 minutes to get up here from the Y hike, the Y trailhead. So it's a Saturday. It's gonna be awkward walking down that with my ice axe. People are just gonna be giving me looks. But yeah, I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be harder. I mean, it was still hard, but I thought it was gonna be like deathly hard. But I'm pleasantly surprised.
So today, I mean, it wasn't really a proper video, honestly, but I'm just testing out my drone. I got it like a month ago, right before the torrential downpour came over Utah. It was rain for like 3 weeks straight almost. There was like, I knew one of the days it didn't rain, but that was probably about it. So yeah, it's just gonna be testing out my drone, seeing how it works, see what footage I can get. This is a really good spot to do it, honestly. It's not too windy. As I say it, as I said that, it just got a little windy. But yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Looks like it's raining way over there. Hopefully that doesn't come over here. I'll be off the mountain by then. So yeah, fun day. So I just got down from Provo Peak, that's just behind me. Changed my headwear because this is more aerodynamic and stuff. But looks like I have a lot of sliding ahead of me, that's always fun. Planning to slide down just over that ridge. Just trying to avoid the snow as much as possible right now.
because I forgot gaiters. So I'm gonna get a lot of snow up my pants. It's gonna be cold. Just slide down, climb up that mountain. Well, not the peak, but just the saddle right there. Go down that canyon. Right into a tree well. I stopped before I fell down there, but still, that was close. Wish I had skis, because that would make life easy, but I got that for now. Pretty flowers. So I slid down that bit, probably from there to there took me like 5 minutes. Ski time. Goodness. Oh, those are some post hills. Oof.